Have a good day, dear students. My name is Mayuri Karya. I hope you all are well at your home. Today we will see the quick recap of Chapter 2, Standard 7, Social Science, Civics, NCERT book. The book name is Social and Political Life 2. In this we will see the quick recap of Chapter 2, Role of the Government in Health. Mind map. Role of the government in health. In this we will see the first topic, what is health? It implies to our capacity to stay free of disease and wounds. Okay, so means what is health? So it implies our capacity to stay free of disease and wounds. Okay, healthcare in India. India has biggest number of the republic schools. India has large number of the doctors, clinics and hospitals. Okay, so this one is the healthcare in India. Next topic, private healthcare services. Private healthcare services. Number of doctors run their own private clinics. Facilities meant for only those who can afford. Okay, so private healthcare service centers are means many service centers, but only they people can afford who have money or means facility of money. Now public healthcare services, that is chain of healthcare centers and hospitals run by the government. Facilities are meant for everyone. Okay, so means this chain of healthcare centers and hospitals run by the government. Facilities are meant for everyone, that is government hospitals. Now healthcare and equality. Private healthcare services are increasing, concentrate in urban area. Medicines are expensive, not meant for poor state of the society. Poor cannot bear medical expenses which are beyond their reach. Okay, so means healthcare facilities are there, but means it is too much expensive, so poor cannot be afford. Okay, so this one is the mind map of the chapter. Means this shows the means a summary of the chapter. Now important notes. Chapter 2, Civics, Role of the Government in Health. What is health? Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. It refers to both mental and physical health. A healthy body is able to operate and function freely and efficiently. Good health makes us appreciate life more. Okay, so means what is health? So means the ability to means stay away from the illness. Okay, that is called the health. Healthcare in India. India has the largest number of medical colleges in the world and is among the largest producer of doctors. India is the fourth largest producer of medicines in the world. Okay, most doctors settle in urban areas while people in rural areas have to travel long distance for medical facilities. Fourth one, about 5 lakh people die from tuberculosis every year, while 2 million cases of malaria are reported every year. Fifth one, healthcare facilities have grown. Okay, so here the main situation, what is the situation of Indian healthcare facilities, that is going to be shown. Okay. Sixth one, India gets a large number of medical tourists in world. They come to avail good quality medical facilities. Okay. Seventh one, we are not able to provide good clean drinking water to all, hence many people suffer from communicable waterborne diseases. Okay, so means this much means medical facilities we are having, still we cannot means give even means pure drinking water to our people. Next, half of the children in India do not get adequate food and are undernourished. Okay, so means still we have to improve our medical facilities, means half of the people are not getting adequate food even. Okay, private and public healthcare is divided into two categories: public health services and private health services. Public health services are a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. For example, public health services, Sterling Hospitals, Wockhardt, AIIMS. Okay, these are the public health services. Chain of centers means each and every means Apollo. These hospitals are in most of the means metro cities. These hospitals are there. Okay. One important aspect of the public health is that it is meant to provide quality healthcare services either free or a low cost. Here we are talking about the public healthcare services. Okay, so public healthcare services are that services means that government hospitals and all that na, so that is the means public health services. So one important aspect of the public health is that it is meant to provide quality healthcare services either free or at low cost, so that even the poor can seek treatment. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctor at the primary health center PHC. Such a center covers many villages in rural area. At the district level is the district hospital that also supervises all the health centers. Large cities has many government hospitals. Okay, so means here the people are telling that they are having a means on each and every level, in village, in district, in urban area, means at each and every level means hospitals or means healthcare centers has been established. Next one point, another important function of public health is to take action to prevent the spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, etc. Okay, so means here the people are telling the important function that we know very well, means many advertisement that is means at last the people are telling that Janhit mein jari, like right now means you people are means going to watch ad Corona se daro na. Okay, so means for the added Arogya Setu app. So means this kind of ads the people are giving to aware the people. Okay, now according to our constitution, it is the primary duty to the government to ensure that welfare of the people and provide healthcare functions to all. The government must safeguard the right to life of every person. Okay, private health services are not owned or controlled by the government. People have to pay a lot of money for every service that they use. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics in the rural area. One fine registered medical practitioner, RMPS, urban area have large number of doctors, many of them providing specialized services. There are hospitals and nursing homes that are privately owned. There are many laboratories that do test and offer special facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. There are also shops from where we buy medicines. Okay, so means in a private healthcare center means the people are giving many facilities like medical store means is nearer, lab means laboratory, so whatever the test you needed you can do there, x-ray, ultrasound, each and every facilities means private healthcare centers are giving. Now healthcare and equality. In India, private healthcare services are increasing but public health services are not. As cost of this private services is high, many people cannot afford them. Private services sometimes encourage practices which are unethical. Barely 20% of the Indian population can afford medicines that they require during an illness. Okay, so means this private healthcare services are providing good services but cost is high, so barely 20% people can afford that. Okay, third one, it is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to all its citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. Now next one, in 1996 the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. First one, 40% of the entire state budget was given to panchayats. Okay, so at basic level they have said that made a budget for your need. They could plan and provide for their requirements. This made it possible for a village to make sure that the proper planning was done for water, food, women's development and education. Okay, so means at grassroots level they can plan means whatever they needed. Okay, for water, food, women's development and education. Water supply scheme were checked. The working of schools and Anganwadis was ensured and specific problems of the village were taken up. Health centers were also improved. Okay, now next, the best example of healthcare come from the Costa Rica, where the government provides for adequate healthcare to people. Okay, here is the Costa Rica is the name of country. Several years ago, Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. This helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that the army would have used on health, education and other basic needs of the people. The Costa Rican government believed that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of its people. The Costa Rican government provides basic services and amenities to all Costa Rican. For example, it provides safe drinking water, sanitization, nutrition and housing. Okay, so here we have seen the two case studies. One of our Indian case study, that is Kerala government, and second one is Costa Rican, that is a country in North America. Okay, so by this chapter we could understand that what is the role of government in our healthcare services. Okay, so today we are completing our quick recap here. Thank you so much.